welcome to another episode of Aaj Ka AQI. From the last several months, News Laundry's team has been trying to bring you stories of poor air quality across Delhi. So today morning when I woke up, I saw that it's not just Delhi which has poor air quality, but it's also the other national capital regions which is suffering from hazardous air quality. And one of them is Ghaziabad district. The data showed that some parts of Ghaziabad had AQI of 400 while others touched to even 600. And when my producer Saurav and I entered Ghaziabad, we could smell why it was that. The buildings are covered in thick layer of smog and we could smell smoke in the air as if something is burning all the time. So Saurav and I are standing at Delhi Meerut Expressway and there's an industrial unit behind me. And a CSC report from 2020 shows that these industrial units are the ones responsible for Ghaziabad's hazardous air quality. The Center for Science and Environment report from 2020 had found out that Ghaziabad district has about 146 industrial units and about 80% of them are the textile units. The reason why they are major contributor for air pollution is that they are highly dependent on coal. And the other factor is that they don't have proper waste management systems. Therefore, they burn the industrial waste, which further contributes to air pollution. The other reason why Ghaziabad is important is because it is one of the districts with highest population in the national capital region. It has a population of about 42 lakh people with a density of 3,700 people living in 1 square kilometer, which means that air pollution is impacting more people's health. Experts have suggested that feasibility tests should be conducted on these industrial units to see if they can move from coal to using PNG, which can bring down the air pollution levels in Ghaziabad district. Why we aren't moving in this direction is the question we need to ask from the BJP government, which has been in power in UP since 2017. This is the reason why we are running Fight to Breathe campaign, because your health matters even when the issue of air pollution moves out of the news cycle. You can also become a part of this campaign by scanning this QR code flashing on your screens.